Welcome to Interm Engineers Ltd, a pioneer in scaffoldings and integrated formwork systems in India. With a proven track record of successful construction projects, we're your one-stop destination for all your scaffolding and formwork needs. We follow a meticulous process when it comes to delivering excellence in construction. Let's walk through the steps that ensure a successful project. It all begins with aligning the construction site with markers, line-outs, and precise points that set the foundation for our construction journey. Steel reinforcement, a critical step, involves installing ground steel mesh to provide tensile strength and support for concrete structures. Next, we strengthen columns, beams, and shear walls by installing steel bars. Preparation of the plain cement concrete mix for the ground slab, fortified with embedded steel reinforcement. Applying form oil to the panels is a crucial measure to prevent concrete adhesion. Installation of wall panels starts in the beginning to maintain structural integrity. We shape the entire structure accordingly. Installing column reinforcement further enhances and ensures the structural integrity of the building. Installing of the beam side panel with steel reinforcement. Preparing the slab for parking with the use of props and slab deck plates to support the structure. Reinforcing the slab area with steel bars to ensure structural strength. Concrete pouring is the heart of the construction, filling the formwork to shape the structure. Installation of external working bracket. Shuttering of the riser and trade. Creating formwork and adding reinforcement around a window is an integral part of a space. Adding the roof covering to the window is the final touch to our process. We complete the formwork placement of the first floor. We then carefully remove the formwork after the concrete poured has gained sufficient strength. We remove the formwork and continue the same process for the entire project. Following these meticulously planned steps ensures the success of our construction project. At Interm Engineers, we are dedicated to building sustainable properties that enhance the quality of life, provide a superior living environment, and contribute to a brighter future.